Do you know what to do if a fire starts at your workplace right now? Most people don't, and that could cost them their life. In the next 90 seconds, I am going to show you exactly what to do. Watch this. Look at this, a welder doing his everyday job. But do you see what is right there? One spark lands on the cardboard. Just one spark. The cardboard begins to smoke, a tiny flame appears. The fire is starting, and still nobody knows.
Now it is on fire!
The welder finally notices and panics. First thing, stay calm. Locate your nearest fire extinguisher immediately. I know exactly where this one is because I checked before I started work today. Now use the P.A.S.S technique. 4 steps every worker must know. Fire is out, you are safe, but this was completely preventable. Always clear combustibles before any hot work. Minimum 3-meter clear zone in every direction. Now let me show you exactly how to use a fire extinguisher, step by step. 4 letters, 4 steps P.A.S.S. P, pull the pin. This small pin clip locks the extinguisher. Pull it firmly and completely out all the way. A, aim at the base of the fire, not the flames. This is the most common mistake. Watch my nozzle. I am pointing at the floor, at the burning material, not up at the flames. The fire lives at the base. That is where you kill it. Squeeze the handle firmly with one hand, all the way down. Feel that? The agent is releasing. Hold it down. Do not let go until the fire is out. Keep squeezing. Sweep side to side at the base. Keep it moving, left to right. Steady, controlled sweeps cover the entire fire base. Make absolutely sure the fire is completely extinguished. Remember, pull the pin. A, at the base. S, squeeze the handle. S, sweep side to side. Share this video with your team right now. It takes 2 seconds and could save someone's life. Follow OHS Member for real safety tips every single week. See you in the next video.